Welcome to your guided peaceful sleep meditation with Ask Courtney. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on more videos to help support you in your healing journey. Tonight, I'm going to guide you down into a restful and peaceful deep sleep. So, to begin, please find yourself in a warm, safe, comfy space where you can go into this sleep. Lay flat on your back with your arms down by your sides, palms facing up. And we are going to start with a deep breathing exercise. You're going to breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4 and hold. And then out 1, 2, 3, 4. It is very common that your busy mind may try to prevent you from going into this sleep. So this is your one last chance to think about those things that are causing you worry and keeping you from getting the sleep that you're deserving of. Go ahead and allow the worries to find their way one way and then another, watching them swirl about in your mind without choosing to think too deeply into any of them. You give each thought one chance and then you will let go. And as each thought comes up, you'll slowly start to feel relaxed as you internally say to that thought, I've acknowledged you and it's time for you to go. Think your thoughts and only give them one chance to present themselves and say, now it is time for you to go. And as you watch these thoughts come and go, notice how they slow down. Now breathe in deeply through your nose, breathing in for 1, 2, 3, 4 and hold. And then out 1, 2, 3, 4. In this very moment, your body is still and relaxed. Take a second to find gratitude for whatever is holding you comfortably in this moment and providing you an opportunity to feel safe and at peace. In the next breath, as you breathe in, I want you to slowly imagine yourself standing in the room that you are now in, remaining with your eyes closed. And as you're standing, I want you to look down at your feet. And I want you to notice that you can put your right foot metaphorically in front of your left and start to walk. As you're starting to walk, you pick up your gaze and you start to see in front of you that there is a beautiful meadow that is lit by the moon with fresh grass cut, and you can see the dew glistening below your feet, and you can feel the soft, cool tone of the dew running through the tippity tops of your toes and on the base of your feet. As you're walking, you slowly notice off into the distance to the left-hand side a big weeping willow tree. And as you start to move closer, you notice that there is another one. And in between both trees is a beautifully adorned hammock with tiny little firefly lights, a warm, soft pillow, and a cozy blanket. Standing next to the willow tree is the smaller version of yourself, tired, with heavy eyes, looking for someone to help them find some peace. As you slowly make your way over to the weeping willow tree, you bend down to eye level and you greet your inner child and let them know who you are. You let them know that they're safe and that they have permission to go to sleep and that nothing can happen to them because now you can protect them, and that sleep is exactly what they need for the healing that has to be done within. You let them know that you are now on watch, and that is your job to protect them, and that if you guys come together, you can sleep and heal as one. You notice that your inner child slowly smiles and yawns, and you ask them for permission to open your arms and hold them. And they gingerly make their way over with hesitation, but with a few moments of trust, they are with you. You wrap your arms around them, smelling the sweet scent of their hair, kissing them on their forehead, and asking if it's okay to pick them up and put them in the hammock with you. As you get into the hammock together, you cuddle underneath the big, fluffy blanket, wrapping your arms around them, letting them know that they are safe. And as they are there, you say to them, I love you forever. I like you for always. As long as I'm living, your protector I will be. And in those moments, you feel safe and ready to take the next step into the deepest sleep that you'll have. Together, you and your inner child start to breathe, one after the other. Deep breath in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue to listen to my voice and follow me into the blissful place of restful healing and sleep, where you will be able to get everything that you need so that tomorrow you have the strength and rejuvenation to help you completely rise as you deserve this, as you always have. This special place of rest now belongs to you and your inner child. You are surrounded by the breeze of the night and protected by the gleam of the moonlight and the stars shining brightly above you and the crickets in the background. It's quiet, it's peaceful, and you truly are just alone, the both of you, in a place of slumber. In the next few moments, you'll slowly feel your inner child reconnect with you, melting into the parts of you, becoming one. You're going to start to feel the muscles in your face relaxing, your jaws relaxed. Allow your body to feel soft and smooth. The muscles in your ears are relaxing. The back of your head and neck are now soft and supple. And every time your mind is trying to think about something else, bringing in a fresh breath will slowly let that go. You've worked hard today. You've worked hard every day. And each day is a new day where sleep is part of the new beginning for you. Breathe in this time of peace and allow yourself to slowly go deeper and deeper, falling into the safe abyss of perpetual, calm, safe nurturance that's all around you. Slowly your hammock starts to sway, and a fresh breath of air is now upon you. Breathing deeply, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. And then out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your inner child is now peacefully asleep, and you are closing in to meeting them in your dreamscape, where you guys can go and chat and reconnect, because it's been a while since you've been together in a state of peace and calm. In this very moment, you're becoming more and more tired, where your eyelids are closed so deep. Your breathing is deep and not short and labored. You feel heavy and held, as if what is supporting you now is holding you. Your heart is light, your mind is light, but your body, it feels so heavy and safe and warm. I want you to imagine a soft yellow light slowly coming down from the moon and entering through the tippity top of your head. As it pours down through your face, over your shoulders, in your arms and through your chest, down into your belly, swirling around your belly button, all the way down your legs to the tippity top of your toes. And as you are covered with this milky yellow hue from the moon, you start to feel a deeper level of peace and calm. One that is so deep that you've never experienced this level of secureness within yourself. Allow your body to slowly absorb the yellow hue from the moonlight, making you glow just like a star rejuvenating every part of you that is tired and overworked. You can truly trust this moment as your body starts to heal on a deep cellular level the parts of itself that were hurt and left behind. As you go deeper and deeper into this sleep, follow my voice, follow the sounds, deeper, deeper into the quiet dark that is full of nurturance, compassion, grace, and safety. Your breathing is much heavier now. Slow in and slow out. Your chest rising and then falling deeper and deeper. Your brain slowly closing down the areas that are of worry for you and opening them up to the warm, creamy, blissful moonlight that is now surrounding your whole body and protecting you in this very moment. Continue to just breathe deeply, breathing in and out, in and out. There is a peacefulness about the way in which you're resting in this very moment that you've never felt before. And I want you to give yourself permission to receive it. Allow the good. Allow the peace. You're worthy in this very moment of all this safety that you're feeling. And you don't have to worry about someone taking it from you or losing it because it's within you. Continue to slowly, deeply breathe. Deeper and deeper. Breathing in the peace and giving yourself permission in this very moment to accept this sleep because you are worthy and deserving of nothing but the best. Good night and sleep tight.